bit.
Yeah.
There's something there
In their shirt.
touch the bowl. He does not like the corn chips.
Yeah, I guess he's not a corn guy. This is our squirrel house. It was made out of soggy boxes, but now we're upgrading the squirrel box
to plastic.
squirrel house. Plastique.
Plastic.
We have a camera, which is going off right now. We have
Let me
a
see the camera.
ceramic bowl.
Camera can go in the corner. Oh,
Did you throw all this stuff on the ground, or did he do
I
that?
did.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say
Sorry, my bad.
No, I just wanted to know if it was an ungrateful squirrel or what.
No, that was Terra being silly. Okay, so we're gonna put.
So this will keep the rain off the camera,
Oh, I touched the bowl.
and it'll keep. Oh, she touched the bowl. She's gonna get rabies.
I'm gonna put R2D2 over here.
R2D2 goes in the corner.
Go here somehow.
Yeah.
I like the
Somebody in
nuts.
our art, when we had we had a pottery studio, and somebody in the pottery studio made a little R2D2 for me. Now that's gonna go on top so the squirrel can't knock it over.
Yeah.
Raccoon.
Can you take a picture of that and see with your blink and see if
Yeah.
it works?
You think that's
Wait,
gonna
wait.
work?
Okay.
We'll find out.
Wait. Go ahead and look at your blink.